Welcome everyone to this course on Espresso in Cinema 4D. This first video is an introduction to this editor, how it works and what it's used for. Espresso is a note editor used for animating differently from traditional animation techniques. Espresso enables us to create animations quicker using notes. So instead of working with keyframes, which is what we normally do, we'll be working with notes and connections. However, Espresso doesn't replace other animation techniques, but complements them. When animating objects with repetitive movements, Espresso offers more specific and effective solutions for these sort of animations. In this editor, each node is represented with a panel and can perform a wide variety of tasks. In addition, it allows us to create controlled animations comfortably. Nodes complement each other and enable us to create a wide variety of interesting and different animations. At the end of the day, we can animate almost anything. When referring to Espresso interactions, we talk about expressions. What we are going to do in this course, well, we'll be animating this pendulum and synchronize it with another object. Why a pendulum? Because it allows us to work with basic elements, speed, time, and synchrony, and we'll get a cool animation. From here on, it's on you to play around and make the most of this editor. Anyway, I'll show you other examples so that you can better understand Espresso functions. We can create different versions of the pendulum or give a try to more abstract animations. So guys, I'll see you in the following video where we'll be starting our project. So see you there!